All right, so for the first demonstration, I'm going to use Glad Clingwrap. If anybody has used this before, you will notice that it is very challenging to use. The material actually ends up getting caught in and of itself. So if I just rip off a bit of this, and if I were to bunch it up like that, you can see how it becomes a little bit harder to disentangle. So regardless of whether it's new or not, this material is a great example of some dispersive or London forces or van der Waals forces. All of that interacts and represents the same thing. So this is all just basically non-polar molecules, obviously great chains of them, aligned in a polymeric fashion, and there's actually multiple layers in any given plastic, but the whole cling wrap idea, and this is even what they call it, the cling wrap, gives rise to the fact that these dispersive forces are very powerful. So though those are the weakest forces among those that you're learning about, they are still very considerable in trying to gauge their relative strength and whatnot.